All right, hey, I'm Nick Barkley from Dallas, Texas. And my business is Fish and Fizz, fish and chips. So I was looking around for a food truck. I happened to see a friend of mine in Dallas that had a brand new truck. And I said, man, where did you get that truck from? He said, oh, I got it from JRS down in Houston. So I said, okay, cool, I'm gonna go down. Did you have a good experience? And he's like, yeah, it was great. So I flew down here, met with the team, we kind of talked about what we wanted, and then that's how it began really. And so we did the design for it, because for me it's all about fish and chips. So I've got all the kit that I need, because I'm not going to be doing anything else other than frying the world's best fish and chips. So this truck is purpose built for fish and chips. So that's where I'm at. I've had a great experience with JRS, with the whole team. They've been really responsive and easy to work with. And yeah, it's been an absolute pleasure really. So I couldn't recommend them highly enough. And when I come for my second truck, I'll know where to come. So it's a great business, fair price, good service. So that's what you want in this game. All right, so I just got down here this morning and the truck's looking amazing and I'm like, wow, it looks fantastic. So the next thing is trying to figure out how everything works in the orientation. So the team have been really good showing me how to turn on the gas, how to light the fryers. So all I have in here is 4 deep fryers. I've got fridges here, I've got more fridges here. I've got my serving window, I've got another fridge over there, I've got my fire suppression system, which obviously you need, electrical box, 3 compartment sink, hand wash. So this is like perfectly designed for what I need to deliver top drawer fish and chips. So couldn't be happier, ready to get cooking. Right, so the other part which I really loved about this whole process is the wrap. So I was going to have it done in Dallas, then I started talking with the boss and he's like, oh no, you should do it down here, we've got a great company. So we came up with the design. That was a really fun part of it, and it's everything that I wanted it to be. Love the wave. Mine's going to be really short menu, so it's just fish and chips. The truck is called Chip, so if you want to get it for a private event, you just send us an email. Obviously I'm English, if you hadn't noticed already, so I've got my Union Jack on here. It's perfect, this is exactly what I need, so I'm really happy with the wrap.